The Jupiter Exchange has just released Jupiter Portfolio, where you can see all of your Solana activity within your Phantom wallet and even airdrop links linked directly to your Solana wallet. This is a super useful dashboard that tracks all of your DeFi activity into a single interface. So let's dive deep into how this interface works and how to locate all the airdrops you might have missed. Let's take a look. So this is the official announcement from the Jupiter Exchange, and they are calling it the Jupiter Portfolio. And you can access this directly on the Jupiter Exchange website by navigating over to the Portfolio tab. So here's a breakdown of the interface. Under net worth, you see the total summary of tokens being held directly in your Phantom wallet. And within that, we do have the claimable airdrops section, which links to the different airdrops you are eligible for. Wallet breakdown shows the different variety of coins held in your wallet. So on this wallet specifically, I have 26% SOL, 21% Wrap SOL, 15% USDC. List goes on. But my favorite feature in this dashboard is the summary view of the different positions held across all the different DeFi platforms. So as you can see, alongside my personal holdings, I also have positions in Drift, in Camino, Marginfi, Parser, Jupiter DAO, Pi, Meteora. And that way I don't have to search across different platforms to see what my specific positions are. So for example, if I open the Drift protocol here, I do have some money being lent within there, including USDC, Wrap SOL, Cloud, shows the balance I'm using, the yield on that specific pool, and the total value in USDC. I do have some unsettled Solana perpetuals I need to close out, and I do have some Wrap SOL, USDC, and Cloud within Drift, and also some more lending. And if I wanted to find out more about a specific pool, simply click on the arrow here. That would take you to the specific pool. Cool. Next up, I have some positions in Camino. I do have some lending going on and some farming as well, including some leverage. So moving on to Marginfi, if I expand this, I do have some tokens I'm lending within Marginfi, including Wrap SOL, USDC. So let's look at these individual positions. We'll click on this arrow here, and this would bring me to my portfolio section. And as you can see here, my individual tokens being lent on the platform. Pretty cool. So let's claim some of the airdrops we may have forgotten about. Let's click here, claimable, and I do have some on Meteora. So let's click on claim, and we can claim fees here and confirm the transaction. Great. So I just claimed those rewards. Moving on, I do have a Camino airdrop available to me. So let's go ahead and claim that. And the reward here is approximately 180 Camino available to me. Let's claim and stake it, and confirming your wallet, and the claim and stake was successful. Cool. And there you have it, a super powerful new dashboard built by the Jupiter team, where you can view all your holdings and positions under one roof. This new feature has been long anticipated, and it's finally here. So what do you think about the new Jupiter portfolio view? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.